trying to draw all possible stereoisomers, and I think Dr. O'Halloran is asking us not to change the conformation. So all possible stereoisomers. So in other words, I can't twist anything around. That's what the conformation is. All right, I think I get that. So all possible stereoisomers, there's only one stereocenter here. So this is going to be relatively straightforward. I'm just going to change that chlorine and change the hydrogen. I realize I'm looking at it from a different angle, but I want to keep these things oriented the same way. I could just switch these two. That would do it. That's another picture. Be the same thing. Watch. Let's keep the wedge down and the hash back like that. And we'll just put the chlorine up there and the hydrogen there. These two are the same thing, and both are correct. Just a second, a little background noise here. Let me get that off. And all right, so let's look at this one. Draw all possible stereoisomers. This one's already been drawn for us, but this one, let's say that we can put the hydroxyl group back and the hydroxyl group forward, right? And over here, we can put the hydroxyl group back. I gotta turn that sound off just a second here. Just a second. And can you see what I'm doing there though? Let me get the sound off. Can you see what I'm doing here? I'm considering all possibilities. If they're both back or they're both forward, right? Or one of them's back and the other one's forward. Or this one's back finally, or wait, rather forward, I should say, yeah. OH, and this one's back. Those are the only possibilities. And we have more here, okay. So this looks like a stereocenter. So, but it's only got one stereocenter here. So I'm just gonna draw it as hash. And we'll switch these guys, right? So that's OH, and that's hydrogen. Okay. All right, so some isomers will be meso compounds. Okay, so I'm supposed to be drawing these, and I'm going to draw, it looks like you drew one for us. So this one, instead of drawing it at equatorial, I'm going to draw it axial, right? Because if this carbon's going down, then this is going to go straight down. And this one's going up, but this is equatorial. Let's go ahead and make that equatorial. So we only switched one of them. Now let's do this one again, down again, and let's switch this one also. Oops. If it's axial, it's going to be going up, right? Now let's switch this one, but not that one. So this will be going up. This will be going out. I think that's the only possibilities. I mean, he's already drawn one for us, so let's go ahead and do that one. And those are all four possibilities. And that's it for that question.